Are you struggling with thinning hair, breakage, or slow growth? What if I told you that the secret to stronger, longer, and thicker hair might already be sitting in your kitchen? In today's video, we're talking about flaxseed oil for hair growth, a powerful natural remedy that's packed with nutrients your scalp and hair follicles will absolutely love. Stay tuned because I'll share all the amazing benefits of flaxseed oil, how to use it step by step, and even some secret tips to get faster results. Let's dive in. Flaxseed oil comes from flax seeds, tiny golden or brown seeds that are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E, and antioxidants. While many people use it for health and digestion, its real magic happens when applied to hair and scalp. Unlike many store-bought hair products that only coat your strands, flaxseed oil works deep from the root to nourish, strengthen, and stimulate growth naturally. And the best part? It's chemical-free and safe for all hair types, including natural, relaxed, curly, coily, and even color-treated hair. Here's why you should add flaxseed oil to your hair care routine. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids that nourish hair follicles from within, improves blood circulation to the scalp, stimulating hair growth, provides essential nutrients like vitamin E, which strengthens the roots, helps prolong the growth phase of hair, anagen phase, resulting in thicker, fuller strands, strengthens the hair shaft, making it less prone to snapping, coats hair with a natural layer of protection, reducing split ends, increases elasticity in brittle hair, reducing shedding from everyday styling, protects hair from environmental stressors like heat, pollution, and dryness. Omega-3 fatty acids have anti-inflammatory properties that calm scalp irritation, soothes conditions like dandruff, eczema, or psoriasis, helps balance sebum oil production, preventing an itchy, flaky scalp, provides hydration to dry scalp areas, reducing redness and irritation, smooths down the cuticle layer of the hair, creating a glossy finish, softens coarse or frizzy strands for more manageable hair, acts as a natural conditioner, sealing in moisture for long-lasting shine, enhances curl definition and bounce for textured hair types. Flax seeds contain lignans, which can help balance estrogen levels. Hormonal balance can reduce stress-related shedding or thinning. Now let's get into the step-by-step process. Warm up 2 to 3 tablespoons of flaxseed oil. Apply directly to your scalp using your fingertips. Massage in circular motions for 5 to 10 minutes. This improves blood flow and helps nutrients penetrate. Leave it on for at least 1 hour, or overnight for deeper nourishment. Wash with a gentle shampoo. Repeat 2 to 3 times a week. Mix 2 tablespoons flaxseed oil with 1 tablespoon coconut oil or olive oil. Apply from scalp to ends, coating all strands. Cover with a shower cap and let it sit for 45 minutes to 1 hour. Rinse and shampoo. Do this once a week. Take 2 to 3 drops of flaxseed oil. Rub between palms and apply lightly to ends of damp or dry hair. This tames frizz, adds shine, and prevents split ends. Pro tip: you can also take flaxseed oil as a supplement, 1 teaspoon daily, which nourishes your hair from the inside out. When used consistently, most people start noticing less shedding and breakage within 3 to 4 weeks. For visible new growth, give it 2 to 3 months of regular use. Remember, consistency is key. Natural remedies take time, but the results are healthier, stronger, and more sustainable hair growth. So there you have it. Flaxseed oil for hair growth is one of the most powerful natural treatments you can add to your routine. If you're ready to transform your hair, give it a try and let me know your results in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural hair growth tips every week. And if you've ever tried flaxseed oil before, tell me your experience. I'd love to hear it.